A rectangular notch 50 centimeters long is used for measuring a discharge of 40 liters per second. An error of 2 mm was made in the measuring the head over the notch. Calculate the percentage error in the discharge. Take CD is equal to 0.6. CD means coefficient of discharge. So here you given a rectangular notch. The type of notch is rectangular notch. A rectangular notch 50 centimeter long. So length of the notch, here length of the notch is 50 centimeters. So let us convert centimeters into meters. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Okay, 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. So now L is equals to 5 by 100 means 0.05 meters. 0.05 meters. Okay, next. Measuring a discharge is used for measuring a discharge of 40 liters per second. Here discharge denoted by capital Q. Q is equal to discharge Q is equal to 40 liters per second. 40 liters per second. So let us convert it into SI units, meter cube per second. So we know that 1 liter per second is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube per second. Now 40 liters per second becomes 40 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube per second. Now Q is equal to 0.04 meter cube per second. So this is the value of discharge in SI units. An error of 2 mm was made in the measuring the head over the notch. What is the error in measuring head over the notch? 2 mm, I think. 2 mm. So this error in measuring head over the discharge is denoted by DH. Okay, na? D for difference. So how much error? 2 mm error. So 2 into, convert mm into meters. We know that 1 mm is equals to 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. This is error in measuring head over the notch. So at the same time we given at last given coefficient of discharge as 0.6. Coefficient of discharge is equals to 0.6. So here we have to estimate percentage error in the discharge. We have to calculate percentage error in the discharge. Percentage error in the discharge. So percentage error in the discharge is denoted by dQ by Q. dQ by Q. So what is the formula for dQ by Q? Okay, now how to find percentage error in the discharge? So we know that error in discharge due to error in measuring of the head over a rectangular notch is given by dQ by Q is equal to 3 by 2 into dH by H. Okay, na? So this is the relationship between percentage of error in discharge and percentage of error in head. Okay. So here we need dQ by Q. In percentage, we need percentage error in discharge. So into 100. Since we need percentage, simply multiply with 100. So here we need dQ by Q. Here unknown. Here dH is already given. Here only unknown is H, head over rectangular notch. We need H value. So how to find H value? We have a formula for discharge over a rectangular notch. Discharge over a rectangular notch, given rectangular notch. Rectangular notch is given as Q is equal to discharge Q is equal to 2 by 3 into CD into L into root over 2Z into H power 3 by 2. So this is the formula for finding discharge over a rectangular notch. Using this formula, we can find a head over the notch, H, capital H. Okay, now we can find capital H using this formula. First we have to find head over the rectangular notch H. So Q. So Q, here Q means discharge. How much given? Given 0.04 meter cube per second. So is equal to 2 by 3 into coefficient of discharge 0.62 into 0.6, not 0.62, given 0.6 coefficient into L. So length of rectangular notch 0.5 into root over 2g, root over 2 into 9.81 into h power 3 by 2. So 0.04, 3 ones are 3, 0.2s are. So 2 into 0.5, 1. So 1 into 0.2, 0.2, and the value of this, the root over 2 into 9.81 is approximately 4.43 into h power 3 by 2. Now just transpose these two values to left hand side. Now h power 3 by 2 is equal to 0.04 by 0.2 into 4.43. If you calculate this expression, you will get around h power 3 by 2 is equal to 0.04514. 0.04514. Now apply, we need only h value. Now apply power 2 by 3 on both sides. Okay, now just apply power 2 by 3 on both sides. 3 by 2, 2 by 3 get cancelled. H is equals to, here you will get 0.04514 whole power 2 by 3. So value of this expression is, here I got approximately here I got 0.127 meters. This is head over rectangular notch. So now we calculated head over rectangular notch. Now we can find percentage error in the discharge. So percentage error in the discharge, dq by q is equal to, what is the formula? 3 by 2 into dh by h into 100. Now substitute all values. 3 by 2 into dh is how much? dh is already given. So given I think 2 into 2 mm. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 by h. 0.127 into 100. So 2 get cancelled. You will get 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 100 all divided by 0.127. Now dq by q, percentage of error in discharge is equal to, so if you find this value, you will get final answer. So here I got approximately 2.36 percentage. So therefore percentage error in the discharge is 2.36 percentage. This is the final answer.